Today's video explores one of the most fascinating and accessible AI filmmaking tools out there, FocalML. This platform is designed to take your movie ideas and transform them into full-blown cinematic experiences. From the plot and characters to scenes, dialogue, animation, and even voiceovers, FocalML does it all. And the best part? You don't need any prior filmmaking experience to get started. For storytellers, YouTube animators, or even just curious creatives, this tool could change the way you think about making movies. Let's dive into exactly how it works and why it's creating buzz in the AI video space. To begin your filmmaking journey, simply head over to FocalML.com. The sign-up process is quick and free. Once you create an account, you're taken straight to the dashboard, which gives a clear overview of your available credits, the digital currency used on the platform to generate content. New users start with 200 free credits, and as a bonus, the platform gives you an additional 50 credits each day just for logging in. These credits are spent as you generate characters, visuals, dialogue, and video. So it's a smart idea to experiment, learn how things work, and pace yourself accordingly. Once logged in, the first thing to do is create a new project. FocalML offers 3 distinct ways to get your project started, depending on how hands-on you want to be with the creative process. The first and most popular option is to just type out a basic story idea and let the AI generate a full plot. It's as simple as entering a sentence or two. You can also switch the story's language if you're working in something other than English. The AI then builds an entire storyline with characters, settings, and narrative structure, all in just a few seconds. If you want more control, the second option is to paste your own full script into a text field. This allows you to bring your original screenplay to life without any changes from the AI. This is perfect for creators who already have a fully developed story or want to use FocalML for visual production only. The third option is designed for advanced users. This method allows you to create your film completely from scratch by manually uploading or generating every image, video, voice, and animation one by one. It takes more time and effort, but it also gives you the highest level of customization and saves you credits if you're importing content you made elsewhere. Once you've chosen your method and finalized your script or idea, it's time to pick a visual style. This is a key step because the visual style sets the tone for your entire film. FocalML includes several predefined styles, from hyper-realistic to more stylized, cartoonish, or cinematic aesthetics. The look you choose here will apply across your characters, environments, and scenes. Want your film to have a dreamy, animated vibe? There's a style for that. Prefer a gritty, grounded, more photorealistic world? That's also covered. And if you ever want to change styles later, you can. After locking in your visual style, FocalML gets to work auto-generating characters based on your script or plot. It gives each one a name, a portrait, and a short description. You can dive in and edit these characters, tweak their backstories, change how they look, or even regenerate them entirely. A particularly impressive feature is the integration with ElevenLabs, which provides voice models for your characters. Whether you need a tough soldier voice, a soft and calm narrator, or an eccentric alien with personality, you can assign voices to match. Each time you update a character's description, the AI generates the portrait to reflect that. So if your character is now a pirate with a scar and eye patch, you'll see that in the image. The same logic applies to locations. Whether it's a dystopian city, a medieval forest, or a moon base, FocalML creates images that match the setting you describe. FocalML takes your script or plot and automatically divides it into chapters. These chapters act like scenes and help structure the timeline for editing. You can set how many chapters you want, regenerate them to change pacing, or add and delete chapters freely. This makes it easier to manage long stories, especially for episodic content. Each chapter comes with its own editable description, and these descriptions are what FocalML uses as prompts to create visuals and generate animation. Now comes the fun part, the timeline editor. This is where your project starts to feel like an actual movie. All the chapters are laid out as placeholders in a horizontal timeline. You can zoom in and out using your mouse wheel or on-screen controls to see the whole film or work on individual scenes. There are blank areas in the timeline for adding opening credits, title cards, or end credits. You can drag and drop generated scenes and assets, rearrange them, or delete anything that doesn't fit. This visual editor is intuitive and gives users the power to move pieces around like a puzzle. When it's time to bring your script to life, click Generate next to each chapter. FocalML turns your text descriptions into a set of images, dialogues, and scene compositions. You can accept the generated results or tweak the prompt to get something more specific. Once accepted, the placeholder is replaced with actual generated content. However, this is where one of the tool's first drawbacks becomes noticeable: character consistency. The same character might appear slightly different in different scenes. One image might show her with short hair, another with long hair, and so on. To keep characters consistent, users are encouraged to write very detailed descriptions for their characters and consistently reuse them in prompts. Alternatively, you can generate character images separately using another image generator and upload them into FocalML. It takes a little more effort but ensures visual continuity. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll see different creation tools. These include New Scene for generating custom images, New Speech for adding new dialogue, New Sound Effect for atmospheric audio, and New Video for uploading or animating new content. Each generation does consume credits, so it's smart to combine FocalML tools with external free resources when possible. Any images or videos uploaded show up in your assets list and can be placed directly onto the timeline. Users can also change aspect ratios, switch visual models, and assign different voice profiles or video styles. FocalML currently supports models like Luma, Runway, Minimax, and Kling, giving creators access to some of the most advanced AI rendering tools available. When you're ready to animate, click the Animation button. The tool gives you 3 different prompt suggestions to help animate the scene. Choose the one that fits best or rewrite your own prompt. After generating a satisfying image, you can now animate it to move and breathe like a real video scene. On the free plan, this process is a bit more manual. You'll have to convert each chapter into images and then animate them one by one. But if you're using a paid plan, you can skip straight to video creation from the chapter descriptions, saving both time and credits. Once you've created and animated your content, it's time to edit the video duration, change the speed, or make last-minute style adjustments. When everything looks right, just hit the export button. The platform will render your video and allow you to preview it in full before downloading it to your device. And just like that, your AI-generated movie is ready for the world. Of course, no tool is perfect. FocalML does have a few limitations. First is the lack of character consistency, which we've covered. Second, and arguably more noticeable, is the absence of lip sync. Right now, there's no way to sync animated character lips with spoken dialogue. Hopefully this feature gets added soon, but as of now, it's missing. For those with experience in AI tools or video editing, the third project option lets you build your film entirely from scratch. You can upload pre-made images, videos, voice clips, and sound effects. This is a great way to save credits and have full control over each element of the project. It's especially useful if you're combining FocalML with tools like Midjourney, Pika, DID, or Runway. So, is FocalML worth your time? Absolutely, especially for creative minds who want to tell stories in new ways. The platform is constantly improving, and its all-in-one approach makes it incredibly easy to go from a simple idea to a finished animated film. For creators on a budget, the free plan with daily credits offers a low-risk way to test everything out. For serious users, upgrading unlocks a smoother workflow and access to premium features that streamline the production process. FocalML might not replace human filmmakers just yet, but it's definitely helping more people become creators without needing a studio budget or a crew. Try it out and let your imagination run wild. Who knows? Your next sci-fi epic, fantasy quest, or romantic drama might just start with a few typed lines and a click of a button. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comments section.